So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, back to our analysis right here, guys. Take a look at our gold. What can you say the trend is on the gold? Remember the analysis we did previously, last analysis? I told you guys clearly that gold would actually drop and it must take out this low. If you have not watched the analysis that I did previously, you can go back to the channel to watch it and confirm the prediction. Our prediction was that gold will definitely give us that drop and take out this low right here. And that is exactly what gold did give us. It did give us a sell and it took out this low. So this is to tell you that more movement to the downside is what we should be expecting on our gold. So a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. Now, this is it. So this is it right here, guys. This is our low, and here comes the lower high, right? Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low here. This is the lower high. Market then eventually was able to drop to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, and this is also our new lower low. Here comes the equal lower high, which I've actually made comments of this. I literally did analysis. I made a comment on this, right? This is an equal lower high. Our market is dropping. We should expect market to drop for that to come to hit this low, thereby giving us an equal low and very much break above it. So basically our bias is still that market will drop to take out this low completely, to break this low completely, thereby giving us a new lower low. So more movement to the downside is what you should be expecting on gold. If you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.